Have you ever wondered how a few sparks of curiosity turned into a mighty force that changed the entire world? This is the story of the steam engine, a machine so powerful it reshaped history forever. Before steam engines, life was tough. Heavy loads had to be pulled by animals or people. Factories were small because water wheels could only work near rivers, and deep in coal mines, water flooded the tunnels, making it almost impossible to dig.
Man, blast this water. The deeper we dig, the more it floods.
These fields, these wagons. There must be an easier way.
First sparks. Believe it or not, the idea of using steam wasn't new. As far back as ancient Greece, Hero of Alexandria built a little gadget powered by steam. But back then it was just a fun toy. The world wasn't ready. Yet. The first engines. With this device, steam will pump the water for you.
Sounds dangerous. Don't like the sound of all that hissing.
Savory's invention was clever but risky. Then came Thomas Newcomen.
Watch. The piston moves, the beam lifts, and the water's gone.
By heavens, it works!
Finally, water could be pumped out of deep mines. But still, these machines were slow, heavy, and burned through mountains of coal. And then came the game changer, James Watt. In the 1760s, Watt studied Newcomen's engine and thought, we can do better.
This engine wastes so much steam. What if the condensation happened in a separate chamber?
And that idea changed everything. Watt's brilliant idea? A separate condenser that saved energy. Suddenly, steam engines became way more efficient. They weren't just mine pumps anymore. They could power machines, factories, even locomotives. With Watt's improvements, the steam engine spread like wildfire. Textile factories spun faster, iron was forged stronger. Trains raced across countries, connecting cities. Steamships carried people and goods across the seas. The world entered a new age, the Industrial Revolution. And at the heart of it all was steam.
This. We're flying past the land at 20 miles an hour!
No wind? No problem. Full steam ahead.
Steam engines wove the fabric of the Industrial Revolution. They connected cities, moved people and goods, and powered industries. The world was never the same again.
Sometimes one good idea can move the whole world forward.
So next time you hear the rumble of a train or the hum of a machine, remember, the story of steam is the story of us.